In this video, we're going to have a look at analyzing and navigating texts that aren't at this moment fully supported by the WordMap's curated topics. And what we see here in front of us is a document from 2009. It's the sogenannte Neujahrsansprache presented by Dr. Angela Merkel, the Bundeskanzler. And if we browse down through the text, we quickly notice that, and actually I can help that by bringing up this little support menu here. I'll look for the word Krise, and we notice that Krise is a quite frequent word. Remember the year, we're talking about 2009, the year after the major Krisisaufbruch in 2008. We notice the words here are Krise, 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 and further down we also see this word here, Finanzkrise. And remember, the premise is that German is not really fully supported at this moment by WordMaps, which means that we'll have to do a little bit extra work ourselves. But let me show how we can proceed and still get some nice analysis done. We have the texts uploaded to the general WordMaps library, or the general WordMaps project, and you can see them here. These are the New Year greetings from the German Bundeskanzler. I'll open this, and you can see the first text we have is from 1982, and then it proceeds down to the last one, which is the 31st of December 2018. By the way, we at WordMaps keep this list updated, so you can expect to have the new speeches coming in here every year. Just above we have the parallel Swiss texts, and we'll have a look at the last one, and that was the 1st of January 2019. So they come in parallel, although the Swiss text is always the day after and therefore also the year after the parallel German text. So let's see what we can do to find some patterns in the themes in these texts. We'll select this analysis form called the timeline, and notice how it says that we can input material from up to 7 different folders. So we have actually 2 folders, so we'll take this report, and I'm going to start writing Krise. But I'm not going to use the built-in topic model, because in this case that version of the topic model is not German, it's actually Danish. I could also have written crisis, and that obviously is the English version. But instead I'll just write the word Krise and let that be my criterion. I will also write Finanzkrise, because I noticed that this token was used in the material by Dr. Merkel. So we have these 2 words here, and now we're actually ready. We submit our analysis, and we now get our results. Notice how in 2008-9 we have a parallel pattern. Both the Swiss Chancellor or Bundespräsident and the German Chancellor refer to the crisis. But what is quite interesting is that the intensity is higher in the German speech. There are more references. Actually, the Swiss references, the total number is 4, but the German it is 8. What we also see is that actually the Swiss pattern ends this year. So already the next year we have no reference to crisis, but it continues to be a theme in Germany, and the year after, and the year after, and then it disappears, but actually comes back again. So what we have now discovered is that apparently the theme crisis lasts much longer, and it is also more intense from the German point of view. So what we have seen here is how to analyze material from several folders in parallel, but also how to actually navigate the content that is not supported by the topic built-in topic model. For most of our users, probably you would have expected the material to be English, but in this case it of course is German. So thanks for watching, and see you back soon.